I'm going to guide you on how to add recovery phone number to your Gmail account. If you find this useful, please consider to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys. Now to get started, launch your Gmail app. Then tap on the profile icon on your top right corner. Then go to manage your Google account. So as you can see on my screen, you are required to tap on add recovery phone. But if you do not see this, you are going to go to personal info. Then you scroll down. Then you will tap on phone. Then it will land you here. Now you are going to tap on add now. Then you will verify by entering your password or your fingerprint. So I'm going to enter my password. Then after verification, just need to tap on add now. Then enter your phone number, the phone number that you want to add as your recovery phone number. So I will do that. Then tap on next. Then get code. So ensure that the phone number that you are adding as your recovery phone number is online and you can be able to receive the code. So if you tap on get code, the code will be sent to the number. So I'm going to tap on get code. Then let us wait for the code to come. Then you can copy the code. Then you can paste it here. Then tap on verify. So after you have refreshed, you are going to see your recovery phone number has been added. That's how you can add recovery phone number to your Gmail account. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys for watching and have a nice time.